This is a chronicle of my personal experience exploring the underground car scenes of Japan. Follow my journey and discover the rich culture and history of street racing, drifting, and everything in between, here in the land of the rising sun. This is The Hunters.
What? No. Oh. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, what the f***ing Treno?
So right now we are just chilling here inside the boot. One of the great uses of this car, you can just kind of chill here like this. This is great.
This is actually really comfortable.
Right?
Yes, and it's so much warmer. Literally just
Inside
sitting right here than being out there.
So now we are gonna head up to, well, up and a little bit up and then down, and we're gonna go to Haruna Jinja. Jinja means shrine. And once we're there, my idea is let's go pick up a driving charm.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Right, like a charm to protect you while you're driving.
Yeah.
And so it's gonna be really beautiful. Let's just head over there and make our way up there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure he's gonna. I think this guy is gonna knows me. I'm pretty sure he's, because his car has WA on it. So I'm pretty sure it's a rental car.
I'm pretty sure he's gonna recognize me.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure he's gonna recognize me. Okay, here, I'm gonna give you a camera, and you're gonna film. You're gonna see. So we're just testing my theory about how super famous I am, and how when I go in certain places, I just get assaulted. Not assaulted. Recognized. Oh Jesus Christ!
Closer?
Yeah. Then like that. Then I hit like that, and then I make it hit here. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, I'm so bummed. Especially because the Forester ST has such a rare car, you know?
Yeah.
And I was really happy that, you know, it has like no accident history and nothing's happened to it. What the door? I guess like out of all the possible accidents, like that's like the least consequential.
Exactly. Right? Like nothing internally has to be fixed. It's literally cosmetic.
Yeah.
So
Just a pain in the ass.
yeah.
I always try to look at the bright side of things. You know, it's like maybe by this happening, we're not somewhere else at the wrong time, the wrong place.
Yeah.
Got to avoid the bigger accidents. That's how I always try to look at these things.
Yeah, that's a good way to look at it.
Oh my god, we were gonna do a review video today too of the car, right? Like that was the whole point of today. It's like, let's come up here and make a review video. The best we got was the driving the Toge and the paper cup challenge.
Yes.
So that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But you know, unfortunately, as you guys just saw, had a bit of that car got hit, and yeah, I'm pretty bummed. So I mean, after this, we're gonna head up to Haruna Shrine, and let's get like the strongest safe driving protector charm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put them on all four corners of my car, so to protect myself. Okay, well at least the car wasn't rear-ended or anything like that, so shit happens. How is that? How's the fish set?
It's actually really good.
Really good, right?
Yeah. Super good.
This looks super good too. These super big fried prawns with some miso soup, some rice, and this is just gonna help me forget all about the fact that the Forester was just smashed. Alright guys, so we are now here at Haruna Shrine, and we're gonna make our way to the top to get a charm for the car to make sure no more accidents in the future. Dude, how beautiful is this place?
It's absolutely stunning. There's just so much ancient architecture here. These buildings just, you can just tell there's just so much history.
Yeah.
It's
hundreds of years.
Unreal.
There's just something very kind of magical about this place.
Yes. Yeah. It's peaceful. I think like it being so quiet as well
Yep.
kind of just makes it that much more kind of spiritual in a sense.
And even if you don't ascribe to these particular kind of like spiritual ideas,
Yeah,
you can definitely feel, there's a reverence to this place.
absolutely. Yeah.
Alright, so I got my safe driving charm over here from Haruna Jinja. And I got a pink one to match the STI pink. And this one should hopefully protect the car from any accidents and bad things happening. So I'm gonna put this on immediately. First, let's go down, head over to the Initial D Cafe. And
Oh, Initial D Cafe. I totally forgot about
Initial
that.
D Cafe.
Yes.
We're gonna drive down to Toge, blasting at 150 kilometers an hour, and just stop by the Initial D Cafe. Oh my God! You see that in front of us?
No.
You're gonna freak out in a second.
What? No. Are you kidding me right now?
Oh, what the?
Treno. No.
We're racing the Ghost of Akina.
This is absolutely unreal. Yeah, literally the Ghost of Akina.
Sick, right?
Yeah. The legendary tofu driver is literally in front of us as we speak, literally going down
Yep.
the mountains
Yep.
of Gunma.
How crazy is that? What a way to cap off the trip.
That, yeah, man. I did not at all. Even has Initial D sticker on the side.
Yep. Okay, watch here. Here we go. Sit. This is the gutter. Here she goes. To the gutter. How's it feel? Oh man, this is so much fun.
I know, right?
It's like life is literally like real life anime.
It is.
So much fun. We're almost down to the bottom too. So. We won. It's like 1-1. Okay guys, so we have arrived here at Dee's Garage, parked beside this really authentic looking A86 Treno. Looks just like the one in the anime. Really nice exhaust. Oh man. Psycho. Wow. Really clean inside. I love the dials in the middle. How cool is it that people just love Initial D so much that they actually, like, this is his daily driver. It looks just like the one in the anime, and it's just a dream to come here and see this place. It's crazy, right?
My mind is just so blown right now. Like,
It's cool because I think for you, right? Like,
Yeah.
having this experience,
Yeah.
I feel like now for you, Initial D will become one of your favorite animes, just
Yeah.
because you have had this like real life kind of experience.
Yeah, I think so. I agree. You know what I mean? Like my whole concept too, like, like even the videos I'm gonna be putting on my channel, making anime to real life kind of thing. Like,
Yeah.
take advantage of the real life locations.
Yep.
But like, this is the ultimate version of that.
This is, yeah, you're right.
The absolute
It is.
ultimate. This is
It's so
insane.
crazy. What a day it's been.
I
What a
think
day.
it was awesome.
So what did we do today? So we went to onsen,
Yes.
and then we drove up Harana
Yep.
in with the water cup challenge, and then we went to Haruna Shrine, and then we came back down and we went to Dee's racing garage. And on the way, we drove behind a Hachiroku, right?
Exactly, a real life Treno.
And then we parked beside another Hachiroku. I thought it was owned by the shop, but it's actually another guy who just owns a replica.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's his car.
Oh, okay.
Right? And so, yeah, what a day of initial D'ing in Gunma.
I thought it was an amazing experience. you know, combining real life with anime, fusing it together, and we just had an outstanding day.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right, man.
Reach out to me, let me know, send me an email if you're interested in maybe coming along with me on one of these experiences, and let's see if my availability matches your schedule, and maybe we can check out Guma together. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and make sure to check out Chris's video as well on his channel. He made a vlog about his whole day as well, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. Peace.